Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the basics ready: a hotspot-capable phone or portable router, a data plan that permits tethering and power. First, insert or enable your eSIM or local SIM and verify mobile data connects. Once done, open hotspot settings, set a unique SSID and strong password, and choose 5 GHz if available for speed. Make sure the device's firmware is updated. This prevents connectivity bugs. Now start the hotspot, so nearby devices can join and continue with optimization. Now focus on performance and security. Toggle the 5 GHz band for higher throughput and switch to 4 GHz when you need range. This balances speed versus coverage. Once done, enforce WPA3 or WPA2 encryption, disable WPS, and install a VPN for sensitive traffic to protect data on public networks. Make sure to limit simultaneous connections and configure per-device data caps so you don't hit throttling. Also enable automatic reconnect profiles on your laptop and phone to speed future connections. To finish, save your hotspot profile and enable automatic reconnect so you don't repeat setup. Once done, deploy a battery bank or a compact directional antenna when signal is weak, or add a mesh node for indoors coverage. Make sure data roaming is configured only when intentional to avoid surprise charges. If something goes wrong, reboot the hotspot and client device first. If that fails, recheck APN settings, toggle airplane mode to reset radios, and confirm your plan's tethering allowance before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.